It up, always in overdrive. Now the feeling's lost, blind to notice we've been losing touch.